Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix live event not showing on Facebook. So go for your profile and you can see there is no live event. So all you need to do is go for in this three line option, scroll down, go for help and support, click on report a problem and it says to shake your phone to screenshot of your problem to take screenshot of your problem. So you have to just shake your phone 2 or 3 times and you can see now just go for report problem and it takes a screenshot of your profile and go for including report. So you can see it takes a screenshot of the page and now you can describe your problem here that uh, don't have this live event option here. So after that you have to just go for in this send option. Within few hours or 1 to 2 days, Facebook will reply you and fix your problem. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.